I really wanted to find out more about how I could use my authority and strategy to best be seen, to feel like I wasn't hiding part of myself or I needed to correct a side of myself because, I don't know, it didn't fit whatever perceived image I had in my mind that I should look like as a physician, as an initiated priestess, all of those stories that we kind of make up in our beautiful mind, right? So I was looking for another tool. I'm a scientist. I like reference, right? So something that I could really go into to like kind of excavate more and more about my personality and how I feel like I should show up. But, that other side of me feels like, well, maybe you shouldn't show up in that way. My biggest breakthrough was realizing that my opinions and my judgments, that they weren't necessarily the worst part, quote unquote, of my beingness, right? That I could actually use my opinions and my judgment in a way that I'm meant to use it, in a way that can really serve humanity, in a way that I can really serve people. As a woman, as a Black woman, as a Latino woman, we're very, it's like, play nice, right? And you don't want to be too opinionated. You don't want to be too outspoken, have too much of a, mind. And there was a lot of conflict there for me because I have a lot of opinions, right? And it's like, why wouldn't I be able to have an opinion? What I learned is that I could take those opinions and use them in a very constructive way that really supported and continues to support like how I show up for other people. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's part of who I am. And I get to like love that piece also. Honestly, I feel like I am like in the beginning of a new journey in life. I feel that there's still so much more that I get to learn from Abigail and from human design and how I apply it, not only to my life as my personal life, but also to my business life, and how we can use human design in our own health and healing. This is almost like an individualized blueprint into how we are different and yet the same. And so having this to support myself and also my patients, my clients, in understanding, their body from a different perspective is like cool. You will not fully experience the ocean until you jump in. You just gotta jump in. And that could be the scariest thing, but it's also one of the most freeing things that you can do. Just, jump in.